Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Just like everyone else, I am also very excited to step into a brand new year. But before that, I decided to take a few steps back and remember the crazy year 2020. It was a year full of new adventures and unexpected events. So on the last day of the year, I decided to share all the lessons that this year taught me. I'm sure a lot of you will find this video relatable. So without any delay, let's begin. There is no right age to find your true passion, your true calling, and then work hard to make all those dreams come true. This is probably one of the biggest lessons that I learned in 2020. We never know what is waiting for us in the future. So there is no point in doing something that does not satisfy us. And there is nothing wrong in chasing your passion. Yes, it's not going to be easy. But if you give up without trying, you may end up regretting later. So chase your dreams with all your hard work and dedication. I'm sure your dreams will come true. Never stop yourself from learning new things. We kind of stop doing that once we pass out from college. But keeping ourselves updated is so important. A lot of resources are available online these days. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. Don't miss these opportunities. They allow you to learn anywhere at any point of time. Grab them because they will help you to become a better human being. The world of social media is not all bad and toxic. During the pandemic, it allowed the whole world to stay connected. If you find out the right way of using social media, it is actually a blessing. You can find a lot of people who can inspire you, support you, and guide you. It also gives you a chance to showcase your skills to the world. So if you are still shying away from using it, give it a try. You will find a lot of inspiration and you will inspire a lot of people too. Having a fixed routine and sticking to it is very important. Waking up at the right time, eating at the right time, having a right time to settle down for work every day and a right time to end it is very important. It helps you to strike a balance in your life. But don't freak out if you don't follow the exact same routine every single day. The nature does not follow the exact same routine every day, and the imperfections make it beautiful. So if you are not being able to stick to your routine every day, it's okay. Don't be hard on yourself. Our health should always be our first priority. In our busy lives, we often end up neglecting it. But life is a long journey, and to stay fit throughout, it's important to take care of our mental and physical health. Always make sure that you are giving some time to yourself and your body. Find time to eat the right kind of food, to exercise, to meditate. When you are mentally and physically fit, you can achieve all the impossible things that you dream of. Mindful living is something that we should try doing consciously. In our busy, fast-paced life, we often forget to live in the present. It's very important to notice the little things that are happening around us. It will help us to be more mindful and enjoy our lives completely. Start noticing the little things that go on around you every single day. Morning coffee dripping into your cup, sunshine falling on your face and your shoulder. These little things help you to connect with yourself and the world around you, and they help you to become a better human being. We often complain of not having enough and we end up comparing our lives to others. But we need to acknowledge our privileges more often. If you still have a job, a roof over your head, good food on your plate, and friends and family by your side, that is something that you should be grateful about. Being stuck at home for months due to the pandemic taught us to appreciate the nature a lot more. Thanks to the gadgets that we have, we often ignore the beautiful nature that surrounds us. The beauty of nature is a gift. It is a source of positivity and constant inspiration. So make sure that you spend some time every now and then soaking yourself in it and appreciating the beauty. Learning to do some household chores is very important for every single person. These are some basic life skills that everyone should learn. Being self-sufficient is super important, and the pandemic taught that to us in a very hard way. Learning these skills does not only help you to survive situations like these, but prepares you better for any kind of tough situation that you face in your life. Being self-sufficient helps you to be more confident in life, and you are better prepared and always ready to face any kind of tough situation or challenges that life throws at you. You cannot satisfy all the people all the time. No matter how hard you try and what you do, there will always be people who are not happy with what you are doing. And at times, these negativities affect us and we end up doubting ourselves. But 2020 taught me to come out of this negative space. It's okay to receive criticisms and positive feedbacks, but don't doubt your own intentions. If you are working hard with dedication and honesty, that is the only thing that matters. Always stay connected with your close friends and family. We often end up taking them for granted, but these people will support you all the time. So try to spend some quality time with them every now and then. Try to meet these people, try to connect with them over a video call, because no matter what you do, these people will always have your back. So yeah, these are all the lessons that 2020 taught me. I hope you have enjoyed the video. What did you learn in 2020? Share that with me in the comment section down below. I will be back with a new video in the new year. Till then, take care and bye bye.